Thank you for coming to my channel. Got something new here today. Smith & Wesson SD40. So let's check it out here. Alright. There's the gun. Two 14-round magazines. Paperwork. There's some little bitty screws. I don't know what this is for. Maybe the sights or something. I'll have to find out what that's for. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Oh, it's for the laser guard, to remove a laser guard. Let's clear it. Okay, so I picked this up at a pawn shop a couple of months ago. I got it for 250 bucks. It was a steal. It's brand new, wasn't fired. You can see the marker still inside the follower where they put it from the factory. You can see it's not all, the marker's still there. Once you start running rounds through there, this will disappear. That yellow marker will disappear. Let's go over the specs. So this is a Smith & Wesson SD40 40 Smith & Wesson caliber. Overall length 7.2 inches. Barrel length 4 inches. Width 1.29 inches. It's not giving me any date on the height. Weight is 22.7 ounces. Okay. It's striker fired. Recoil operated. Let's see the trigger poundage. Well, trigger's really curved and it wants to grab right here, and that's not where your finger would normally be. It'd be about right there, but I can't get it to grab. Let's try it again. Okay. That was over 8 pounds. That can't be. That can't be accurate. Well, it's not going to work, guys. No. Let's see if it has it on the data, what it's supposed to be. It's not giving me a poundage for the trigger. I'd say it's about 7 pounds though. Yeah, you got about a 1/4 inch play before you hit the wall. Cheap gun though, right? It's got nice serrations for the slide. 3-dot sights. Non-ambidextrous magazine release. I said it was striker fired. Alright, so let's go ahead and take her out to the range. I like the color of it. It's nice looks. The grip feels good. I've got medium hands. The stipling right here really helps. Gives you a good firm hold to it. You got stipling right here where your finger holds, and you also got stipling right there for where your thumb will ride. Holding it two-handed. Okay, so here's what we're going to shoot. We're going to shoot Remington FMJ 180 grain. We're going to shoot a different Remington, the UMC 180 grain FMJ. We're going to also shoot Monarch 180 grain FMJ as well. And we'll shoot Blazer 180 grain FMJ. At the end of the test, I'm going to back it all the way out to 75 feet and see if we can hit a little 6-inch shoot and see target at 75 feet. That's 1/4 football field, so see what we can do. All right, see you at the range.